Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your captions all uppercase in CapCut. Okay, first of all, I'm going to open my project that I have just created in my CapCut application. And here in this project, I have added auto captions. This is the auto caption that I have created. And if you want to make the captions all uppercase, we can tap on the caption like this, and we're going to tap on the style and tap on the styles option again, and you can scroll all the way to the right over here until you find the case option. And since we want to make our caption all uppercase, we can select the uppercase option. Okay, and tap on this check mark button. Alright, and now as you can see that the caption has been changed, the caption has been capitalized, and that's how we can make our caption all uppercase in CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.